Hi guys! So, amazing morning to everyone. So, meron tayong barley dito. Ayan. Actually, kakagising ko lang guys. So, ready na yung lunch ko. Bago mag-lunch, mag-barley muna ako guys. So, titimpla muna tayo ng barley. Kasi kailangan to inumin 30 minutes before every meal. So, ayan, barley muna tayo. This will help boost your immune system, guys. So, kailangan siya inumin every day. Ayan, haluin nyo lang po.